In this video, I will show you how to use the Comfort Access with your Porsche Cayenne.
Check it out.
Comfort Access allows you to lock and unlock the vehicle without having to pull your keys out of your pocket. You can also open and close the tailgate with a foot gesture. You can get Comfort Access with the Cayenne and with other Porsche models, including the Taycan. Just keep in mind that for Comfort Access to work, you still need to have the key on you. With Comfort Access, all 4 doors and the tailgate are equipped with a proximity sensor indicated by this symbol. To unlock your Cayenne, you simply need to put your hand around the door handle like this, and the car unlocks. The sensor picks up the signal from your hand, communicates with the key in your pocket, and unlocks the vehicle. The warning lights blink up once to show that the vehicle is now unlocked. This works with all 5 doors. Note that to unlock the car, you don't have to touch the proximity sensor. It's enough to put your hand on the grip. You touch the sensor only when you want to lock your Porsche. On the infotainment system, you can personalize your Comfort Access features under Vehicle Control Settings. To get there, go to Settings, Car, Vehicle Locking System, Door Unlocking. Here you can, for example, set the car to unlock only the driver's door when you unlock it. You can also turn the tailgate foot gesture function on or off. Each key is automatically linked to the last active account used when leaving the vehicle. This allows the Cayenne to remember all the individual settings, including seat height and other driving relevant functions. To avoid confusion, it's good for each driver to have their own personal key. This way, you can be sure that whenever you unlock the car with your own key, everything will be just the way that you left it. If 2 or more keys are brought into the car, then the one that enters through the driver's door will be used to log in. To lock the car, close the door and simply touch the sensor. Again, you can do this on any of the doors. With a long press on the sensor, the side mirrors can also be adjusted inward. You will see the warning lights blink up twice to indicate that the car is now locked and secured. Now that the Cayenne is locked, the interior monitoring and alarm system are active, and the car cannot be opened from the inside. However, if you need to briefly get out of the car and want to lock it while there are occupants inside, you can lock the car while deactivating the interior alarm system. Let's unlock the car first. The car is now unlocked. To override the interior alarm when locking the car, you need to touch the sensor twice quickly. Another way to deactivate the interior alarm is via the key. Press the lock button twice within 2 seconds. The warning lights flash twice briefly and then once long. The doors are locked but can still be opened from the inside by pulling the door handle. At this point, it's important to inform the remaining occupants that the alarm will be activated if the door is opened. Let me show you another thing. With Comfort Access, you can open the tailgate with a foot gesture. You need to stand at the rear left between the exhaust pipe and the vehicle center. I move my foot once in the direction of travel and back, and the tailgate will open to the preset opening height. In North America, you should make the movement from the right side of the vehicle. You close the gate with the same gesture. This function is part of the Comfort Access package, except for cars with a carbon design package or the front and rear stainless steel skid plates. If you need extra security, for example when leaving your Cayenne unattended for a long time in a large parking lot, you can temporarily disable all Comfort Access functions with your key. This also comes in very handy when you are about to do a car wash. Press and hold both the lock and the unlock buttons on the key simultaneously until the indicator on the key illuminates for a longer period. Now the Comfort Access function is temporarily shut down. To reactivate Comfort Access, just press any button on the key. As a safety feature in the event of an accident with airbag deployment, the entire vehicle is automatically unlocked to allow emergency services access to the vehicle. Also, if your Porsche is unlocked and no door or tailgate is opened within 45 seconds, the vehicle will automatically lock again. Now you know all the functions you need to use Comfort Access. Thank you for your time and have fun driving your Porsche. I'll see you in the next video.